What I strongly suggest when you're building your business, there's a couple of key things I talk about. One of them is you actually have three separate businesses. So these are writer downers. If you're writing things down, this is a writer downer. You actually are running three separate businesses, not one. Anytime you're a business owner, you have the first business is the before the sale, the lead generation, the branding, like what are you looking like to the marketplace and what are you doing to generate leads and where are they coming from? What are all the different sources? That is a business in itself. You need to study that. You need to know that. You need to hire people to help you with that, but you need to be chiefly involved in that. Then what we call the during the sale business. And the during the sale business is from the moment the person reaches out to you, whether that's phone, web chat, email, messenger, I don't care how they're talking to you. That's from that moment to the moment you're done in their home servicing them. That is during the sale. And that's a whole separate business that you need to manage and strategize and build. And then there is the after the sale. And after the sale is how you actively get repeats, how you actively get referrals, how you actively get testimonials, how you actively get them back again and things like that, how you get them to share, all of those kinds of things, how you solve a problem is an after the sale marketing business. It's that client nurturing and recovery and all of those things. That's a whole separate business. And I always suggest you work on your business in groups of threes.